Google can't rank a page it never found. If your site doesn't have an XML sitemap, you could have great content that Google simply never sees. In the next 3 minutes, I will show you exactly what a sitemap is and how to create one, even if you have never touched code. So, what is an XML sitemap? An XML sitemap is basically a map of your website, a file that lists every important page on your site and hands it directly to Google. Instead of Google bots wandering around hoping to find your pages, you are handing them a GPS route. Think of your website as a library. Without a sitemap, Google is walking in blind, checking itself by self. With a sitemap, you have handed them the full catalog. So, why it matters for SEO? Three reasons this matters. One, faster indexing, so new posts get found quicker. Two, better crawl efficiency, especially if you have hundred of pages. Three, it tells Google which pages you actually care about. This matters even more if you are a beginner blog like rigidigital.com. New sites don't have much authority yet, so you need every advantage to get crawled fast. Now comes what inside a sitemap. A sitemap isn't complicated, just a file, usually at your site.com/sitemap.xml. Means listing your URLs when they were last updated and how much important each page is relative to the others. Now comes how to create one sitemap. If you are on WordPress, plugins like Yoast SEO or Rank Math auto-generate these for you. No coding needed. If you are not on WordPress, tools like xmlsitemaps.com will generate one free in under a minute. Once it's created, submit it directly inside Google Search Console under Sitemaps, and Google starts crawling from there. Now comes common mistakes. Biggest beginner mistake: creating the sitemap and never submitting it to Search Console. The file existing on your server does nothing on its own. Google needs to know it's there. Now, the end part. If this helped you, subscribe. I'm covering one SEO fundamentals every beginner needs, one video at a time. Next up is robot.txt and why it can silently block Google from your whole site. Thank you.